Ever wondered how to turn your computer into a 24/7 cash machine? Well, let's dive into the world of passive income, a realm where money works for you even when you're not. Imagine this: you're sleeping, or perhaps you're on vacation, yet your bank balance keeps growing. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's entirely possible. This magic is brought to you by passive income streams, the silent moneymakers that don't require your constant attention. They're like online gold mines, silently adding value to your life. From affiliate marketing to investing, there's a world of opportunities just waiting for you. But here's a key point: it's essential to diversify. Like a healthy financial ecosystem, multiple income streams work together, balancing each other out and creating a steady flow of revenue. The benefits? More financial security, more freedom, and more opportunities to grow your wealth. So, ready to embark on the Passive Profit Odyssey? Imagine earning while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Enter affiliate marketing. This silent seller is your ticket to an income that doesn't clock out when you do. So what is affiliate marketing? Simply put, it's a method where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission when a purchase is made through your unique affiliate link. Think of yourself as a bridge between the consumer and the product or service they need. You don't need to create anything. You just need to connect the two. Now, the key to making this work is choosing the right products or services that resonate with your audience. Don't just pick anything with a high commission. Remember, you're serving your audience first. The product must be relevant and valuable to them. Do your research, understand what your audience needs and wants, then find products that fit those needs. Now, you may wonder, where can you find these products or services? There are plenty of high commission affiliate programs out there. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, just to name a few. These platforms offer a wide variety of products and services you can promote across almost every niche you can think of. But remember, it's not just about finding the product, it's about promoting it effectively. You could have the best product in the world, but if no one knows about it, you won't make a dime. Utilize your existing platforms, whether it's your blog, social media, or email list. Create compelling content that provides value and naturally incorporates your affiliate products. And don't forget, consistency is key. Keep putting out valuable content, keep promoting your affiliate products, and over time, you'll see the fruits of your labor. So there you have it, the silent seller that can turn your computer into a 24/7 cash machine. Remember, your earning potential in affiliate marketing is as vast as your ability to promote. From Wall Street to your street, let's unlock the virtual gold mine, the stock market. This is a realm where money works for you, even when you're catching some Z's. But how does it work? Let's break it down. Picture the stock market as a bustling marketplace, where companies offer pieces of their business known as stocks or shares for sale. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of that company, no matter how small your share might be. Now, this is where the magic happens. As the company you've invested in grows and prospers, so does the value of your stock. You can then sell your shares for a profit, or better yet, hold on to them and watch your investment grow over time. But that's not all. Many companies also pay dividends to their shareholders. Think of dividends as your share of the company's profits, handed to you just for being a part owner. And here's the cherry on top. When these dividends are reinvested, they can compound over time, leading to exponential growth. That's the power of compounding, a secret weapon in the world of investing. So, where can you start this exciting journey? There are plenty of online trading platforms at your disposal. Some popular ones include platforms like e*Trade, Robinhood, and Fidelity. They offer a range of services, from real-time market data to financial education resources, helping you make informed decisions. However, remember, with great power comes great responsibility. The stock market is not a casino. It's a platform for investing in businesses. So, before you dive in, educate yourself. Understand the companies you're investing in, their business model, their growth potential, and the risks involved. Knowledge is power in the stock market. So there you have it, folks. Investing wisely in the stock market can turn your computer into a golden goose. But remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Patience and perseverance are key in this journey. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to dig into your virtual gold mine. Ever thought of owning a store with a global customer base? Welcome to e-commerce. E-commerce is the digital revolution that has shifted the paradigm of shopping. It's your global storefront, open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, catering to customers from every corner of the world. Now let's delve into the potential of this virtual marketplace. E-commerce is an arena with unlimited potential. In the vast expanse of the digital world, your store can cater to a global audience, transcending geographical boundaries. It's a realm where you can sell anything, from digital products like ebooks and online courses to physical goods like clothing and gadgets. The key to success lies in choosing products that are in high demand, products that resonate with your audience. Setting up your online store can be as simple as setting up a social media profile. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy have simplified the process, providing user-friendly interfaces and comprehensive guides. It's a step-by-step journey, from choosing a catchy and memorable store name, selecting your products, setting up payments and shipping, to finally launching your store. But remember, an online store is more than just a collection of products. It's about creating an experience. This is where customer service comes into play. A happy customer is a returning customer. So ensure you provide excellent customer service, be it prompt responses to queries, easy returns, or quick resolutions to issues. Let's talk about some success stories. Consider the journey of Sophia Amoruso, the founder of Nasty Gal. She started by selling vintage clothes on eBay and transformed it into a multi-million-dollar business. Or take the story of Jeff Bezos, who began by selling books online and went on to create Amazon, the e-commerce giant. These stories are not just tales of success, they are testament to the potential of e-commerce. They started with an idea, worked hard, and utilized the power of the digital marketplace. And the best part? You can do it too. E-commerce is like a global market at your fingertips. Exploit it. Got knowledge to share? Why not monetize it? Let's talk about online courses. Online courses are a fantastic way to transform your expertise into a passive income stream. You might be an expert baker, a pro at coding, or a whiz at watercolor painting. Whatever your skill set, there are people out there eager to learn from you. Creating a successful online course requires 3 key ingredients. First, you need valuable, engaging content. This isn't about regurgitating facts. It's about providing real, actionable insights that can help your students thrive. Think about what you wish you'd known when you started, and start from there. Next, you need to choose a profitable niche. This is where market research comes into play. Identify a gap in the market, a specific need that's not being met, and tailor your course to fill it. Maybe there are plenty of beginner's guides to coding, but not enough intermediate courses. Or perhaps there's a demand for gluten-free baking tutorials that hasn't been met. The key is to find a niche where your expertise can shine. The final ingredient is effective marketing. No matter how great your course is, it won't make you money if people don't know about it. Harness the power of social media, build an email list, or partner with influencers in your niche to get the word out. And don't forget about the power of testimonials. Nothing convinces potential students to enroll like hearing about the positive experiences of past students. Online courses can be a lucrative passive income stream, but they require effort up front. You need to invest time in creating quality content, researching your niche, and marketing your course. But once the initial work is done, your course can continue to generate income while you sleep. Your knowledge is a powerful tool, and it's time to put it to work. So grab your expertise, your passion, and your ambition, and start creating your online course today. Remember, your knowledge has value. Don't hesitate to share and earn. We've explored the vast sea of passive income. Now it's time to set sail. We've journeyed through the silent yet potent world of affiliate marketing and discovered the goldmine that is virtual investments. We've peeked into the digital storefront of e-commerce and dived deep into the knowledge bank of online courses and ebooks. Each of these streams, my friends, is a chance for you to turn your computer into a 24/7 cash machine. Start with one, get your bearings, then gradually diversify. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Just like any great odyssey, your journey to passive profit will require time, patience, and a dash of courage. And as you embark on this voyage, remember the success stories we've shared. Let them be your compass, guiding you towards your own tale of triumph. The seas of the internet economy are vast and full of potential. Your passive profit odyssey begins now. Make your computer your 24/7 cash machine.